We run around different homes and residences and schools to do gardening, building sensory gardens, and giving elderly and youngsters a chance to learn about anything from healthy eating to how the plants work and be outside with nature. I'm Dom. I am a gardener or the horticulturist with Equal Arts. 6 weeks group sessions. The first week we'll get to know each other, and then we'll kind of start to get an idea of what people want to plant, what people want to grow in the garden, what meals they want to plan towards. Usually we'll revolve around Sunday dinners.
Gardening just helps. It relaxes me, it stops me stressing about other things. My name's Steve. I live at Bader Court. This is my 4th year since I moved here. When I'm sat in the flat, I find myself getting bad thoughts. So just being able to come out into the sunshine or just in the garden, just potter about, it stops me mulling things over in my head, which is helping me. It's also very, very good for likes of the residents to get together, discuss what they want to see in the garden. We've noticed a lot of residents won't come out of the flats. They've all become not institutionalised, but so used to their own company. And it's helping everybody gather and interact again rather than just being sat in the flats.